Hello, I am here with my mug that is full of cinnamon roll, not tea. And this video was originally going to be a video for my university because I have a job with them. If you don't know, you probably won't because I don't think I've said. But I have a job with my uni, making videos for them. But then I tried this delightful creation and decided to share it further because everyone needs to try it and I love it. So all my friends out there, if you're watching, please try this because it's fab. But I found this recipe on TikTok. I'll put the username here. But here is the video that I made for the uni, and now for you.